Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good morning to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. From Uno Ear Device, Uno know say one and only Atafa the Press. Well, Uno know say me have to touch up on the whole money thing. Yeah? Remember, say me have to go touch up on it, my wisdom warriors, because me are telling you say, this a get out of hand. Seriously, it a get out of hand. And guess what? Only some article post it. Seriously, Andrew Holness mouthpiece, no post it on them page, Andrew Holness mouthpiece. Yeah, them no post it on them page, my wisdom warriors. You know how me a chat, Big Mama. They no post it on them page. So they no want for them followers know what is going on. That's what me I tell about these people. You see, say these people no care. Them themselves no care about Jamaican people. Because if they did care, they would have let for them followers know what is going on in Jamaica. Seriously, because me go over there, me telling you something. You see enough of them? You see all them one day? Big Mama, me go over there go comment all the time. And they always a delete me comment. Me tell you no, me always screenshot them. I just sometimes me can't be bothered. But me always screenshot them. And I like say me I be rude, Because me see people over there be disrespectful and they not trouble them. But when somebody will disrespect me and tag me, they no remove it, But if me say something, and try to correct them, then delete me. And that them do. You understand? And for sure, the level of this is, this is about politics. Because I have article not posting the $700 billion that is accounted for. You understand? You can't believe it. And guess what? When I go over there and I wrote and I said, why uno not post the 700 billion? You have people asking what 700 billion you're talking about. So Big Mama know what them a do. Them know what them a do. Them know what them a do, my wisdom warriors. Wanna see what me I try show you? So this is not about people health. This is about wealth. Wealth come before health, when it comes to the government. This is why we have to get out the government. But anyway, before me reaching at that, my wisdom warriors, let's talk about this because a police woman's service pistol stolen from her car in Manchester. An investigation is underway to retrieve the loaded service weapon of a police woman which was stolen from her car along Ward Avenue in Mandeville, Manchester on Wednesday. The government-issued Browning pistol was loaded with 30 rounds of ammunition. My wisdom warriors, when I hear this, when I hear these things, police woman's service pistol stolen from her car in Manchester, and it was loaded with 30 rounds of ammunition. So now, the thing when I want to ask, you know, so you have a gun and a loaded and one bag of something, and you leave a gun in a car. I don't understand, you things loaded and you leave a gun put down in a car. Why would you do that? My wisdom warrior, how this sound to you? Because, when I see it, I say, I have to come make you know what I'm going because, from what year with the pan, the Christopher Tufton issue and stuff like that, yeah? So I say, make me just, make you know what I'm going with this. You believe this, yeah? Because something not sound right to me, Something not sound right to me. You really believe this, my wisdom warriors? If you believe it, you put believe in our comment section. Because for me, I do not believe this crap. So this police woman have 30 rounds of ammunition loaded in her pistol and leave it in her car. And then after a sudden, then just stole it from her car. So why would you do that? You have a pistol in your car and you loaded and you not lock your car. It just don't make no sense to me. Something not add up. Something not add up, my wisdom warriors. Something not add up. Something not right. And you see when them lose them gun this type of way, then fi suspend them. Because we don't know if I chew them a tell. We not know if I true them I tell my wisdom warriors. You understand? For all we know, maybe I give them gateway. Maybe they use it and do some type of KILLING. I'm not saying that this person do, you know. I just give you an example. You understand? You understand me, my wisdom warriors? I don't know if I know where me I go or where me I get to. Yeah? Maybe something happen with that same very weapon. Why them have to come out and them have to do something with it. Hide it, dash away, do something with it. You understand? Bury it, do something with it, my wisdom warriors. Something probably done with that same very pistol. Make them have to come and make sure have to come and report it and say how them thief it. Probably nothing not even go like that. Probably nothing not even go like that. When these things happen to these police officers, they need to suspend them because this is carelessness. This is carelessness. You understand me? This is carelessness. Just say it happened for true. Let's say it happened for true. Nobody know where that the gun they are going to do now. Too much people. Much people are go dead by it. Nobody don't even know. I'm just saying. Just say. I saw it go. They ain't thief it out or care for true. Understand me? The police them busy too much. They're on phone and they're on TikTok. Yeah, and then too angry and arrogant. Then can't pay attention to what they're supposed to do. Something like this, you're going to leave your pistol in your car and leave your door open and lock your car door. My wisdom warriors, seriously, a joker people this. You hear me? Joker business this. Joker business. Joker business. My wisdom warriors want to tell me what to think about this and put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, hear this.
And I'll say it again, politics is killing health. It has borne out in the fact that many of those who supported me back then in my quest for a better public health system are now my most vitriolic accusers and critics, when my motive has not changed, whether this administration or a PNP administration.
My wisdom warriors, I agree with Dr. Daz. Politics is KILLING health. It is indeed. It is. Seriously. It is. Because, as I said before, I see articles when it come to Marky G, dual citizenship. Big mama may I talk about, don't know, say so we learn some. Call him. Big up we learn some straight. Hey, me love we learn some, you know, man. Me like how we learn some. Just clap them, you know. Yes, man. We learn some. Mr. We learn some. Big up yourself, sir. But for real, politics is KILLING health. And as I said, I'm going to say it again. You have the article them are run with Marky G dual citizenship. That is not important because Marky G is not breaking any law. You understand? What is important is the $700 billion scam. I'll know me not see Big Mama post it. I'll know me not see them post it on them platform, my wisdom warriors. I'll know me not see them post it. So when you hear Dr. Daza say politics is KILLING health, it is. Because a lot of them followers over there don't know what go on. Can me go over there and comment and say, why you not post the 700 billion? And people ask, what is that about? What are you talking about? We don't know about that. You understand me? And the government is taking away. Remember, you know, people send money. People say, you know what, this pain my heart and my wisdom warriors, because these people is not doctor. These people are not nurses. Them a politician I may tell you about. Them not see the pain what people go through when they're in a hospital. They not see the pain. They not experience it. Them not feel it. Them not know. You understand? What people, what patient have to go through. How patient depend on us. I don't know, so I have to put in us because you don't know already. Me a nurse, so I have to put it in. You understand? People don't, you know. People don't know. When you look at the patient them face, are you them a depend upon? We know what's a God in this. We know what's a God in this. Because I know someone will come in the comment section. You know, God, listen, God work. Let me tell you, God work through nurses and doctors. You understand me? God give us the strength so we can perform our work to the best of our ability. You understand me? But what I'm saying, this politician, Imagine they get money to help with the sick. With the sick. This is why I'm so upset with them. You get money to help with the sick, and you decide to take the money and do other things. So wealth come before health. Your people will vote for Uno. For Uno people will vote for Uno and show Uno so much love. Uno no think say, Uno for make sure say the healthcare system is alright. For make sure say Uno have neonatal ventilators. Wait, I wonder how long I hear no talk about that, you know. How long I hear Christopher Tufton she come out and talk about that, you know. Uno no know say Uno for provide ECG machine. Uno no know say Uno for provide medication, enough medication. Uno no know that. So what is the CEO doing? CEO Uno need to talk up, you know. The whole Uno for get fire, you know. The whole Uno, since as Uno not talk, Uno keep secret. The whole Uno for get lift up from out of the hospital because Uno no mean well for Uno patient. My wisdom warriors. Can you imagine? You have nurses and doctors and Uno know say Uno no have the right equipment. Uno know say Uno don't have equipment. Uno know say Uno no have resources. Uno know say Uno system down. Uno know say Uno machine they need to go and repair. And Uno don't come out and strike. Uno no come out and protest about these things. So what are you there for? Let me ask Uno, the nurses and doctors, what are you there for? Uno next one too. Uno fi come out and strike. If you dey want hospital and you see say, and you wait for a machine and wait and appear problem and nothing, Uno not get no machine, Uno not no medication, Uno see people dying, Uno see baby dying, Uno have to get up. It's your responsibility now. Because Uno have a duty of care to fulfill. You understand me? Remember, the patient never depend upon Uno. My wisdom warrior, it pain me heart, you know. It pain me heart. And when I see some little dirty stinking labor right about the place. But as I said, any day reach a for them door. Any day it reach a for them door. Any day it reach a for them door, my wisdom warrior. They will learn the hard way. They will. They will. How can you pick up for Christopher Tufton? Christopher Tufton, where is that 700 billion? All of this man that you're watching now. Where is the 700 billion? Huh? My wisdom warriors, take in this. Issues flag by the Auditor General. This is the annual reports over the several years. Yeah? Between 2015 and 2016, overpayment of 237,688 in salary and traveling to be recovered. All right? They say that is to be recovered. That's overpayment where them say if it's salary and travel. They don't know where that because right now they say if it's supposed to be recovered. In a 2017 to 2018, overpayment. 6 employees overpaid in salary and allowances. Want to hear that? Between 2007 and 2018, overpayment goes to 6 employees, my wisdom warrior. Remember, you know, this is money where we are talking about, you know. This is money, Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors, Lord, me no know, seriously, me can't believe every day Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton come out and say, we care for the people and we care, but I'm looking at this overpayment. Is this care? Is this caring for your people? You spend 1.1 million. 1.1 million overpayment to 6 employees when this couldn't buy ECG machine, scan machine, and even more medication because in the hospital them don't have medication. You understand? And can buy dressing and all these things. Because sometimes we not even have the little basic things. We not even have gas. Like, only thing me no know what I want, me know exactly what is happening in there. I know, when I stay there, no think me no know what I want in there. I know exactly what is happening in the hospital them. Yeah? Hey, my wisdom warriors. So 1.1 million gone down the drain in a somebody pocket. 6 employees when this couldn't use in the hospital. Because remember, I know, Christopher Tufton was the same very person that came out and said not all of the accident and emergency department them across Jamaica can provide for the patient care that they required. And that him say, you know. All right. And him know all of that. I make you all of this money go to waste. In 2017 to 2018, fixed asset 7.7 million. Just said this are nearly 8 million. Yeah? In value of 43 computer equipment missing. So them are me and my wisdom warriors are like, I would say, yeah, like equipment, so no, like maybe office stuff and stuff like that, yeah, office things, yeah. But 43 computer and equipment gone missing. You understand me? 7.7 million in value of 43 computer equipment missing. 7.7 million worth of things, equipment, computers gone missing, just like that. Me have to laugh, you know. Me have to really laugh. 2017 to 2018, contracting and procurement. No evidence of procurement process for 17.94 million and no sign that the permanent secretary approved these contracts. Wanna hear that? My wisdom warriors? So between 2017 to 2018, contracting and procurement, no evidence of procurement process for 17 million and no sign that the permanent secretary approved these contracts. That at this man, my wisdom warrior. See me, Dunstan Brian. He is the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Health and Wellness. Remember yesterday, me did read out a little thing about him, a little paragraph about his life. And me telling us that this man is well experienced, especially in the finance department. Remember how it go, you know. And remember, say, he become permanent secretary when, I think it was when Andrew Holness become Prime Minister, I believe, or probably 2 years after. Something like that. Yeah? I would have to go back over it. So my wisdom warriors, and this is why I said Mark Golding wrote this. Read it. Mark Golding said, our healthcare system has long been plagued with issues affecting the Jamaican people, including long hospital waiting times, a shortage of essential resources like beds, a lack of transparency in financial management. Something is wrong. This is Mark Golding saying this, you know. And those in charge must be held accountable. I know we not hear nothing, you know. You see them are going and them are build them prison. You see how them are going and a build prison. I hinder them figure, my wisdom warriors. How could they do such a thing? This a man here, a permanent secretary sit down. He not approve nothing. Money gone and him not approve nothing. Me telling about this procurement act with them have all them something I need to be reviewed. And I so happy how the Auditor General come out. Seriously. They can't give an account for these money, my wisdom warriors, that go missing. For these money, 7.7 million worth of computer gone missing without a trace. Huh? And then 17 million. Jesus. Jaja. And then you have some people attack say Andrew Holness is a good prime minister. Christopher Tufton is a good health minister. Christopher Tufton, you need to go. You need to resign. And me like the Jamaican people, you know, step out now. I want to wait, pan. You know, now step out. Okay. It's up to Uno. Me always encourage you know, all the time. Uno can't step out. Uno need to step out. And Uno go protest at every single hospital in Jamaica. What do you know? What do you know? Come on. Uno know how I feel when you go there. Every day you get up and murmur. What's the point of murmuring? What's the point of complaining if you not do nothing about it? Go out and protest. Me I tell you, say, we see a difference. My wisdom warriors, let's continue. In a 2018 to 2019, contracting and procurement, US dollar 288,000 US dollar spent on consulting services for 9 months with no competitive process or advertisement. When I hear this here, between 2018 to 2019, contracting and procurement, 288,000 $300,000. Nearly 300,000 spent on consulting services for 9 months with no competitive process or advertisement. So they don't know, hey, I take your money. My wisdom warriors then take your money and pocket it because there's no competitive process, nothing no show, and no advertisement. So how comes you not do contracting and procurement? And me not understand, how comes you not do consulting? In for 9 months, and you not have not advertise, no process for sure. So you do take your money, friggin' thief them. Them a set a criminal. Andrew Wellness Administration is a set of criminal, and they need for dismantle. You need for lift up. You need for lift out of House of Parliament. You know two thief man. And then you have the audacity to talk about Mark Golding dual citizenship. Me rotted all. Uno is a black man. Uno is a black man. And uno a thief from uno own people. When uno should not help we. And not even uno own people. The sick. Jesus Christ. My wisdom warriors. Between 2019 to 2020, 867 million received from National Health Fund. Lord Jesus. Una hear this here, boy. Me have to stand up for this one here. My wisdom warriors. Between 2019 to 2020, 867 million received from National Health Fund and 840.8 million from Capital A expenditure, but unable to verify due to insufficient accounting records. Ratted all. No wonder why the whole of them no wonder why you see all of them stick together. No wonder why you see the whole of the Jamaica Labour Party. Really not like Jamaican people, you know. On a pocket Jamaican people money. The people then send so much money come. You know what? The people then for stop send money and only send the equipment them. The people them not for give no money. You know, so I'm going to tag CNN News. I go tag the whole of them. Canada News, American News, England, the whole of them me attack. Uno two thief man. You know say people around the world are swagwan. You know that though? People around the world is looking into this. And I say, wow, but imagine we are help them and then government a thief from them. Oh God, then government wicked. Seriously. My wisdom warriors, this when I read them something, it hurt me, you know. It hurt me. Because, you know, me understand what a patient go through. In a one sense. Because I'm there and I see the pain them go through. You understand me? So me know when a patient is really sick, you know, they might depend on a doctor, they might depend on the nurses. You know, and just imagine. If I just imagine, me have to imagine that the part there. Because when me work, them sitting there not happen. So me have to just imagine. Yeah? Because me you know see how you know how patient in a pain and agony and them a look to you for help. So I'm just saying, imagine you do not have the machines. You know? And then, you know, them know that so the machine is not there and them just a go die because the government, you know, the government negligence. You know, so this is abuse. When them have so much money a go in a them pocket, a fill them pocket, fill them purse, fill them bank account, a ship where the money go a different country, and I have business a different country, and the Jamaican people are suffer. Uno get all 300 million raised what year. Uno get good pay. Andrew Wellness are the highest paid prime minister in the Caribbean. Christopher Tufton get good pay. While the nurses and doctors on the ground I get shit pay. Andrew Wellness pay even enougher than the UK Prime Minister. Andrew Wellness pay what him get enougher than the UK Prime Minister. Seriously. Seriously. This is a joke thing in my wisdom warriors. These people not care. I'm going to see one labor writer talk about it, you know. What not even one labor writer, them are going like say them no go hospital too. And them are going like say when they go hospital, they say yeah JLP and they say yes. I saw them a make it look in my wisdom warriors. I saw them a make it look. Them a behave like when them good they ain't get best care. But let me tell you something. You see that lady we pass? I see that lady with died in a Falmouth. Them the people there are labourite. You know, did know that? Them the people they are labourite. So me telling you something. When it come to Andrew Holness them, Andrew Holness not care if you're Labour or you're PNP. They only care about filling their pockets. You know, hear me? They only care about filling their pockets. Me telling you that. That's all them care about. Filling up their pockets. Can you imagine between 2019 and 2020, 867 million received from the National Health Fund and 840 million from the Capital A expenditure, but unable to verify due to insufficient accounting records. No records not there. So where them money are there? Want to share it up against the whole of the JLP. Them. That's why they come out and attack Mark Golden, because they know say everything what Mark Golden says is true. That's why they come out and attack Dr. Daz, because they know say everything Dr. Daz says is true. They come out and attack Peter Bunting and Dayton Campbell and Angela Brownberg, because they know say everything them say is true. They come out and attack Nikisha Burchell. They come out and attack Dana Matley, because everything they said is true. Yeah, and the truth hurts, and they come out and lie. Andrew Holness, yeah, you know all of this, and you know come and say nothing going like you Mr. Goody Cold Shows. Could you? Could no? Between 2019 to 2020, uno never pay over no bank interest to the revenue. Uno never do that. Over 2 million for the financial year, and it was boy, me no know. What to do with them money here? No wonder why Andrew have big old Spanny Hill. Hey, whoa, Lord Jesus. And when una pay the teachers, them and nurses, una have one heap of problem. But when it come to sharing up money against the whole of Jamaica Labour Party, una not have no problem. But when it come to people that is working hard, people that care about their people that are passionate about their jobs, una not think for pay them. And una rather pocket the money, put the money in a phone account. And una know say teachers are left, nurses are left. Hey, una wicked bad, you know? Una wicked to Jamaican people. I wonder if Jamaican people are say this. Jamaican people no follow the little thinking labor right them, the one them with them on social media platform. I tell lie and I pick up for them. Because no follow them. Because when you go to the hospital, they now go ask you, Miss, sir, are you JLP? Okay, if you're JLP, come this way. No, come in this line. They now go do that. They now go do that. So no need to go and protest at every hospital. Tufton must go. The CEO must go. This permanent secretary, make it unpermanent. Him need to go. Jesus mercy. Me no know. Nigel Clark, how you so quiet? Eh? You're the financial minister. You come out and read out the whole budget. So how this never in your budget? How this never in your budget, but you come out and give red card. You no come like a piece of shit. The whole town is a shit house. You no wicked, man. You no wicked to my brothers and sisters, man. Seriously, man. You is a set of drunk crow. Me no rate to no. Me no rate to no. Me hear some people talk about when me talk me violence. So, yes, me supposed to vile against these criminals that don't care about the Jamaican people. You don't see that happening in other country. One thing with them, they make sure, one thing with them, if they don't have the machine, if they don't have the equipment at the hospital, they might do whatever to transfer you. Not waiting 1 and 2 days according to Christopher Tufton for ICU bed for a baby. Really and truly. What about neonatal beds? What about neonatal ventilators? Talk about that, Christopher Tufton. Talk about the neonatal ventilators we uno no have. Talk about that. When I read Dr. Daz, I hope you hear me panda one you know. Christopher Tufton, talk about that. Talk about that no. The last time we check how much baby dead, over 19 babies died from the hospital. They all dispose all baby outside. Make all dog and yam them. You understand me? You understand me? I know not hide. I know not they hide. When you look baby there downtown, it come out in the paper, it come on the news. Then Christopher Tufton within lie itself stand up in a house of parliament. I talk about it was a plan. it was a plan by PNP. When he know that, he know, John, no, I don't know, Jesus, Jamaican people, uno have to take it to the streets. Me I talk to uno now. Me I talk to uno now. Not because you know reach a phone door. Me I beg uno, please, please go out and protest. Uno see what is going on with the money situation. Go out and protest. Go out and protest. Because these people care about wealth. Wealth come first before health. Wealth come first before health. When them sick, you know, them can fly out. Look on the lady where her mother died at Falmouth Hospital. She said to them, say, what about the helicopter? They said they don't have no helicopter. She said, all right, I will pay private. And still no help. All when you have your money lack. Just because they don't have the resources, they don't have the equipment. They don't care. Christopher Tufton take everything put in a private. Between 2020 and 2021, unrecorded spending, ministry received 366 million as appropriation in aid from the National Health Fund to finance several projects implemented by its regional agencies. However, only 182,000 million was disclosed in the appropriation account, resulting in actual expenditure being understated by one. You know what? I can't bother. Seriously. So when you see Mark Wallen come out and I say them enrich themselves, this is what it means. You know, hear me? This is what it means. And this is weird. This is how the illicit six comes in. You know, hear me? The illicit six, the sixth thief. Una go prison till you know fat. Una go see. Jamaica people, una make sure so no vote out Andrew Holness. But we know say Andrew Holness not go call on general election, you know. Me keep telling you guys, I'm not think a joke. Andrew Holness a wait till the king remove. And then he just force through why he want force through. And that him a go do bad man thing in the pan. Bad man thing. He a go turn Jamaica Republic pan a bad manship. Una go see what go on. Una go see. That's why we say we have to stand up. That's why I keep and I say we have to stand up because we have the power. We can't wait till when push come to shove, then revolution are going to start. Because to how me see it, it look like a desert I go down to. It look like a desert I go down to. You understand? And that them want. Because politician no care. You know say Andrew no care. If Andrew did care and Christopher Tufton did care, you know think say look how much money gone. Can't give account for. A prison then figure. I wonder if the Integrity Commissioner here all them as me with the Auditor General audit. Between 2020 and 2021, unlawful environment, 110 million reallocated in budget with no evidence of approval. Me ratted well. Them a people here. Them a friggin' thief. Them a set a thief, man. Them a thief. Jesus. Mighty God. Mighty God of Daniel. Wow. Wow. This government need to go. This government need to go. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Guys, run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement by blessing up my PayPal and my Zelle. The link I got there in the comment section. If you want to join the WhatsApp group, you can contact me on 876-236-1997 and text yes, and I will add it to the group. Blessings, one love.